What is perjury? Perjury occurs when an individual intentionally gives false evidence or fabricates false information during any stage of a judicial proceeding. It can also involve making false statements in affidavits or other legal documents. The Indian Penal Code IPC defines perjury under Section 191. Perjury in Indian law refers to the offense of lying under oath or providing false evidence during a judicial proceeding. Key points. False evidence perjury involves knowingly providing false information related to material matters in court. Under oath, it typically occurs when a person is under oath during a legal proceeding. Punishment. The punishment for perjury is defined under Section 193 of the IPC, which includes imprisonment for up to 7 years and a fine. Legal implications. Criminal offense perjury is considered a crime in India. Maintaining justice courts rely on truthful testimony to ensure justice. Deterrence. Strict penalties deter witnesses from providing false evidence. Examples. A witness falsely claiming to have seen the defendant at a crime scene when they were elsewhere commits perjury. Submitting a false affidavit in a legal case also falls under this offense. Here's a brief overview of the recent case related to perjury involving Baba Ramdev and Patanjali Arvd. Background. The Indian Medical Association IMA filed a case against Patanjali Ayurved Limited, alleging that they published misleading advertisements. These advertisements claimed to cure certain diseases and criticized the allopathy branch of medicine. Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna, the managing director of Patanjali, were sued for their role in these advertisements. Supreme Court proceedings. The Supreme Court issued contempt of court notices to Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna. In response, they tendered an unconditional apology. However, the court expressed dissatisfaction with their initial apology affidavits and gave them a chance to file better responses. The court considered their actions a deliberate violation of the court's order. Court stance. The court rejected the apology, calling it lip service. It emphasized that Patanjali owed an apology to the entire nation for false claims about the efficacy of products like Coronel and for denigrating allopathy during the COVID pandemic. The court also warned Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna of perjury charges. Fresh affidavits were filed, but the court remained skeptical due to their past conduct. Baba Ramdev faced accusations of perjury in the context of misleading advertisements related to Patanjali's products. The Supreme Court scrutinized their actions and emphasized the importance of truthfulness in legal proceedings. Thus, perjury undermines the integrity of legal proceedings, and Indian law takes it seriously by imposing significant penalties.